lecture. Today I brought new updates regarding faculty recruitment in different engineering colleges. The first college is Excel Engineering College. It's in Kumarapallam, Tamil Nadu. They are hiring professor, associate professor and assistant professor in agriculture, civil, biomedical, CSC, IT, petrochemical, food technology, physics, chemistry, English, maths, MBA and for MCA. They also require some tech trainer like aptitude trainer, software skill, communication, technical C, C++, Java and Python. So what you have to do, you have to go to college site and in the career section you can apply. Next college is MBJ College of Engineering. It is in Bangalore, Karnataka. They are hiring for professor, associate professor, professor of practice or senior professor in the department civil engineering, structural and transportation, computer science, data science, AI and ML, industrial internet of things, aeronautical, aerospace, MBA, maths, electrical and electronics, and associate professor for chemical engineering. Qualification required: PhD, masters and bachelor with first class in all preceding degree in appropriate branch of engineering science with good academic record throughout. You can see here required good communication skill, who can successfully execute R&D and consultancy projects, who can promote patents, entrepreneurship, development sale, innovative tinkering lab, industry interaction and other value-added courses will be preferred. Apply mode: email. You can send your resume with all your scanned copies of all necessary certificate and passport size photograph to within 10 days to this email ID hrm@mbjce.edu.in. Next college is Alpha College of Engineering. It is in Chennai. They are hiring for assistant professor for branch CSE and mathematics. Qualification required: PG experience minimum 2 years for assistant professor. If you have completed your PG degree in relevant subject with experience, you can apply. Having good communication skill, commitment towards works and have a good publication record, then you will be preferred. You have to apply before 15th of May. You have to send your application with scanned copies of all necessary certificate and passport size photograph to this email ID careers@alphagroup.edu. Next college is Madha Institute of Engineering and Technology. They require faculty for CSC, IT, AI, cyber security and MBA and system administrator. Experience: both fresher and experienced graduate can apply. If anyone have completed their PG and MPhil in relevant discipline, they can apply. Having good communication and skill, commitment towards work. This is the website www.mathaengineering and technology.com. So you have to apply by sending your resume to the email ID mathainstitutejobs@gmail.com. Next college is RN School of Engineering and Technology. It is in Varakuda, Bhubaneswar. They are hiring for senior lecturer and lecturer for the department CSC, electrical, mechanical, civil, mining and basic science and humanities. If you have completed your master's, bachelor with first class in all preceding degrees in appropriate branch of engineering and science with good academic record, you can apply here. Apply mode is by email. Job location Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Apply before 27th of April by sending your application with all necessary certificate and photographs. This is the email ID aact.bbsr@gmail.com. Walk-in interview will be on 28th, 29th and 30th April 2022. Next is Mar Bacillus Christian College of Engineering and Technology, Idukki, Kerala. They are hiring assistant professor regular for the departments mechanical. If you have ME MTech from reputed institution with first class in all preceding degrees in appropriate branch of engineering with good academic record, you can apply. A specialization machine design preferable. Interview process: shortlisted candidate will be called for online or offline interview very shortly. If you are selected, must be willing to join very soon. Apply mode: email. This is the email ID: principal@of mbcpyramid.com. Next college is Holy Grace Academy of Engineering, Thrissur, Kerala. They are hiring for HOD, Associate Professor, Assistant Professor for the Department Civil, EEE, CSC, AI and DS. Qualification required: PhD, Masters, Bachelors with first class in all preceding degrees in appropriate branch of engineering science with good academic record throughout. Experience: for Assistant Professor minimum 2 years, Associate Professor minimum 5 years, HOD minimum 7 years. Candidate profile: if you have a specialization in geotech engineering, environmental engineering, construction and structural engineering, data science, AI, ML and Python, you can apply. Job location: Thrissur, Kerala. Apply mode: email. Last date is to apply 30th April 2022. This is the email ID. You can apply on this email ID: hr.holygrace@gmail.com. Next college is Sri Shanmuga College of Engineering and Technology, Salem, Tamil Nadu. They are hiring for Professor, Associate Professor, Assistant Professor for Department CSC, Information Technology, AI and DS. Candidate profile: must have completed their PG and PhD in relevant discipline. Commitment towards work. Job location: Sankari, Salem, Tamil Nadu. Apply mode: email. Salary: 28,600 for fresher, 30,000 plus for experienced candidate. This is the email ID. You have to send your resume on this. Next college is Manipal University, Jaipur. They are hiring for Professor, Associate Professor and Assistant Professor for Faculty of Engineering, Computer Science and Computer Science Engineering, Computer and Communication Engineering, IT, Automobile, Mechanical, Mechatronics, Chemical, Civil, Electrical, Electronics and Communication. For Arts and Law, you can apply. For Design, in Design, Architecture, Fashion Design, Applied Arts, Fine Arts, Interior Design, you can apply. For Management and Commerce, you can apply. For Science, you can apply. Some non-academic position like Associate Controller of Examination, Finance Executive, Junior System Executive, TPO, Admission Officer, you can apply for all these departments. Application process: you have to go www.jaipur.manipal.edu. In the career page you can apply. Last date 30th April. Next college, Global College of Engineering and Technology. It's in district Ropar, Punjab. They are hiring for, I think, they are hiring for Assistant Professor for the Department Mechanical, Civil, Computer Science, Physics, Chemistry and Maths. Qualification: MSc with NET. Then you can apply as per ICT norms. Having completed the HPG, commitment towards work, pay scale as per norms. Apply mode: email. This is the email ID. You can apply on this email ID: gcet.punjab04@yahoo.com. Next college is Sri Ramakrishna College of Engineering. They are hiring Assistant Professor for Agriculture, Engineering, Biomedical, Computer Science and Mechanical. Job title and designation: Principal. Qualification: BE, Tech, MEM Tech with PhD, having 15 years of experience in teaching, research or industry, out of which at least 3 years will be for post equivalent to that of professor, and at least 2 successful PhD guided as supervisor. PhD completed before March 2019. Job location: Perambur. Apply mode: postals. On or before 28th of April you can apply. This is the email ID. Next is KSRM College of Engineering, Katappa, Andhra Pradesh. They are hiring for Professor, Associate Professor and Assistant Professor for the Department Civil, EEE, ECE, Mechanical, CSC and Chemistry. Qualification: PhD, Masters, Bachelor with first class. With a good academic record you can apply. Experience required: for Assistant Professor 1 to 2 years, Associate Professor minimum 5 years, of which at least 2 years post PhD. Professor minimum 10 years, of which at least 5 years post at the rate of level of Associate Professor. Any specialization is acceptable. Job locations: Sikke, Dinne, Katappa. apply mode email, email ID they have given or not. Interested and are required to download the application from college website and submit the filled in application form. Email ID I think that will not they have provided. Okay, you can search college site. By that you can get everything. Next college is Dr. Mahalingam College of Engineering, Pollachi, Coimbatore. They are hiring for assistant professor for the department Mechanical, EC, Electrical Electronics, CSC, CSC, Cyber Security, IT, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, AI and ML, English, Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry. Qualification PG, MPhil degree with first class in all preceding degrees. In appropriate branch of engineering and science with good academic record. Experience required 2 years or fresher can also apply. Specialization mechanical, automobile, EEE, EC, E&I, CSC, IT, biometric, cyber security, data science, AI and ML, chemistry, physics, mathematics and English. Apply mode, you have to go college site and in the career section you can apply. Next college is Guru Kasi University. They are hiring for professor, associate professor and assistant professor for engineering and technology, for civil CSC, EEE, MA, petroleum, information technology, for commerce and management, HRM, finance, marketing, international business, commerce. You can apply for hotel management, agriculture, basic science, economics, English, Hindi, Punjabi, physics, chemistry, mathematics, sociology, music, political science, history, home science, library science. Pharmacy you can apply, paramedical science, fashion technology, education, law, physical education, computer application, non-teaching staff. Last date 5th of May. What you have to do? Apply online as per instruction and format available on college site. On college site you can get apply link section. Next college is Bundelkhand Institute of Engineering and Technology, Jhansi. They are hiring for engagement of assistant professor and associate professor in various academic department from session 2020-23. You have to go apply online through Google link. By this link you can apply. Next college Apex University, Jaipur. They are hiring for director, dean, professor, associate professor, assistant professor for law, commerce, management, CS, IT, pharmaceutical science, engineering and technology, basic life and applied science, humanity and arts, paramedical science, nursing, physiotherapy, hotel management, naturopathy and yogic science, education, agriculture, special education. You have to send your CV within 7 days to careers, career apex, jpr@gmail.com. Next college is Sri Shivani Group of Colleges. They are hiring for professor, associate professor and assistant professor. For professor they have they have vacancies in CSC, EC, EEE, mechanical, civil, humanity and basic science, MBA pharmacy. For that with PhD 10 years experience required. For associate professor having vacancy in CSC, EC, EEE, mechanical, civil, humanity and basic science, MBA pharmacy. For that PhD with 8 years experience required. And for assistant professor we have ME, MTech, M Pharmacy, MPhil, MSc or MA with first class. Then you can apply. They have vacancies for CSC, EC, EEE, mechanical, civil, humanity and basic science, MBA pharmacy. They also require some non-teaching staffs like programmer, lab technician in engineering and pharmacy, hardware engineer, office assistant, software developer, web designer. Qualification MCA, BSc, BE, Tech, diploma in relevant discipline can apply. So you have to send your CV to principal underscore w6@yahoo.co.in or shivani@gmail.com on or before 30th April. Next college is St. Kitts Institute of Design, St. Kitts College of Engineering. They are hiring for BDes faculty, Bachelor of Design faculty members. The only autonomous in Kerala having 7 NBA accredited program. They are hiring for dean, professor, associate professor and assistant professor in information experience, design, product innovation design, mobility design, HCI design and media environment. Then you can apply. This is you have to go college site. In the career section you can apply. Next college is Satyam Institute, Amritsar. They are hiring for professor, associate professor, assistant professor, lecturer in CSC, ME, EEE, Civil, Pharmacy, Journalism and Mass Communication, Medical Lab, Science, Operational, Theatre, Technology, Physics, Chemistry, Communication Skill and English. They also require some workshop instructor, admission counselor, TPO, hostel warden, data operator, security officer, receptionist. You have to send your CV to SIT office at the rate of satyaminstitute.ac.in within 7 days. Next college is Sri Buddha College of Engineering. They require senior faculty for computer science and engineering, civil, mechanical. If you have PhD with around 10 years of teaching experience will be preferred. Email ID they have given, you can apply on this. Next is Erode Sen Gunthar Engineering College. They are hiring for HOD, professor, associate professor, assistant professor in agriculture, robotics and automation, IT, CSC, CSD, AIDS, civil, mechanical, biomedical, EEC, E&I, chemical, maths, physics, chemistry, English, industrial safety, MBA, placement trainer. If you have PhD with supervisor recognition, research funding experience is highly preferable. Industrial experience will be preferred. Having knowledge in NAC and NBA is mandatory. Eligible candidates have to apply online or send your CV to job@esec.ac.in. Next is Sri Krishna College of Technology. They are hiring for associate professor, and assistant professor in CSC, ECE, EEE, mechanical, civil, science and humanity and management. The interested candidate have to send a resume to skirecruit@skkrishna.ac.in. So that's all about today's update. Share it with your friends. Subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.